Today's scare comes as the man known as the underwear bomber appears in federal court in Detroit. Umar Farouk Abdulmutallab is accused of trying to blow up a plane over Detroit on Christmas Day 2009. Fox News' Amy Lang has more from outside federal court, where a trial date has now been set. Amy.
Yes, a trial date has been set, but it was actually more interesting to hear from a couple of the passengers who showed up here at court today, who have a very interesting theory about what really happened.
The U.S. government escorted him through security without a passport, and we believe gave him an intentionally defective bomb.
It's a startling allegation from two local attorneys who were on board the 2009 Christmas Day flight to Detroit when Umar Farouk Abdulmutallab tried to blow up a bomb hidden in his underwear. Kurt and Lori Haskell think the U.S. government was behind the whole thing.
It was intentional that it went this far to further the war on terror, to get body scanners in the airports, to increase the TSA's budget, to renew the Patriot Act, and whatever other reasons you want to list.
The Haskells say in Amsterdam, before boarding the flight to Detroit, they witnessed Abdulmutallab arguing with a ticket agent at the gate because he didn't have a passport, when a man in a tan suit with an American accent intervened.
The ticket agent did not want to allow Mutallab on the flight, and this man was very insistent of it. And then she referred them to a manager down the hallway.
They next saw Abdulmutallab on board the plane when they saw fire and people screaming. Abdulmutallab has insisted on representing himself in this case. The trial date's now been set for October 4th and could include up to 400 witnesses.
It's a very, like I said, very serious case with a lot of potential, a lot of evidence that has to be reviewed, and a lot of witnesses which must be interviewed in order to properly prepare the case.
That's Abdulmutallab's standby attorney, Anthony Chambers. Although the judge has urged Abdulmutallab to have Chambers represent him, so far he's refused.
I think that this is a case that we can help him with greatly. It's a very defensible case.
And you just heard the standby attorney saying he thinks it's a very defensible case. Of course, with Abdulmutallab representing himself, it will be interesting to see just how well he can defend himself. They do say that he's been having some trouble getting access down at the Milan Correctional Facility. They're going to try and put a stop to that so that the standby attorney and Abdulmutallab can speak and he can go over the evidence against him. For now, live downtown, I'm Amy Lang, Fox 2 News.